All right, everyone, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, you know, all of them. Beware, beware, beware. If you had a pool built from 2017 to 2024, and if you're a buyer buying a house with a pool, if you're a seller selling a house with a pool, you absolutely have to have a core sample done. I don't care if someone says that their pool has never had any ASR. I have proven that the biggest companies in America all have ASR in every one of their pools, more or less to a point. I've also proven that there's some big companies in Austin that don't like me, so I've proven that they all have ASR too. It's just the way it is. Guys, as a pool builder, as a man, you have to own your crap. If your pools have ASR, own your crap. Don't run away and put your tail between your legs, that some companies have done, where they close up shop and they open up another pool company. Wow, pretty crazy. All I'm saying is, if you're a buyer, make sure that you ask the seller to pull the core. Most houses are $1 million or more. Whoever's selling that house, they can afford to pay $3,500 for a core or $5,100 for an expedited core, because they have to do it. As a buyer, if you're spending $1 million on a house, you have to be educated to be able to make the right decision on how you can go ahead and buy a house with a pool, knowing or not knowing that it has $150,000 to $200,000 problem in the back garden. Okay, so again, my advice is, as a seller, also if you're the seller's agent, go ahead and tell your client you have to pull a core. We would love to pull your core for us. There's other companies that do it. It doesn't matter who you use. Just get a core done so you can educate the buyer, so you can hopefully avoid lawsuits. So that's some advice that I would also give you if you're moving to Austin. That's advice that I want to give real estate agents and buyers and sellers. Also, I want to let you know, I'm probably one of the only pool builders registered with TREX, which is the Texas Real Estate Commission. I'm a licensed instructor. I've already taught over 1,000 agents classes on ASR and what to do. There's something called CE courses, continuous education, where you're registered with TREX, and I teach classes on how to deal with pools, guys. So I have sources for you. There's plenty of other people that have sources for you. Just make sure that you're going to a good source with the right education and understanding, and that you're not going to a sour apple, because there's a lot of them out there, and you know who you are. I'm not going to say their names, but if you're not continuously learning how to improve what you're doing in the pool industry, and you're just a salesman, just stealing from people, telling them lies, and not actually educating the customer on what they're buying, again, you know who you are. You'll be found out. Most of you have already been found out, and I feel sorry for you. So as a pool builder with front to back custom pools, you see my hat, we're here to do the right thing by you as the customer. We're here to also do pool inspections. We're here to offer our services and educate the customer in every aspect of what's happening. One more thing, mix designs. If your pool builder does not have a mix design, if they do not keep their batch sheets on file, well, that's a lack of quality control. Most pool builders do not have any quality control. Shame on them. That's when you have to go ahead and pull a core again. Thanks for watching.